Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off airplane mode in our Motorola phone. As you can see in our top right corner we have a plane icon. It means that our airplane mode is active. So how to turn it off? When we swipe from the top we can look for our airplane mode here, and here it is, our airplane mode shortcut. Alternatively, if this shortcut is not here for whatever reason, we need to go to settings, then we need to navigate to internet and network, and here it is, our airplane mode, and we can turn it off from here. It's the same switch that it was in our shortcuts. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.